There they go. It's a perfect beginning to all the entries. Now we've got Princess Leila from the outside, running by the rail mainstay. Then comes Alexis Princess, running alongside the Og. Then comes Cashbook, running second last. We have Madame Leonora, and Speed King is running at the tail of the field. As they leave the straight, we've got the favorite mainstay running by the rail, running alongside. Now is Princess Leila to take the lead. A length back in third, the Og, moving up by the rail. Now is Madame Leonora, running on the outside, Speed King. Then comes Alexis Princess, while Cashbook is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the back, it's still Princess Leila leading the field by a length. Mainstay remains in second. Madame Leonora moving up now is the Og, and running on the outside is Speed King. Alexis Princess remains second last, and a long way back to Cashbook. Now we've got Mainstay takes the lead from Princess Leila. Moving up now in third is the Og, remains in fourth Madame Leonora, and on the outside Speed King. Then second last is Alexis Princess and Cashbook. As they come up towards the home turn, Mainstay is still in front by about two. Princess Leila remains in second, and the Og moving up by the road. Cashbook is on the outside, and down the stretch they come. We've got Mainstay still leading the field. Cashbook now to take second. The Og is in third, and finally Mainstay, Cashbook, the Og, Madame Leonora, Princess Leila, Alexis Princess.
All right.